Andiva kahle le lathi le explanation yakhe yelantsiki ugilo. Andithembi mina nyanyana. Andithemba.
So noba indoni.
Akabethwanga.
Oh sure.
Khona izikhona masiza wezenziwa ezilalini zodlala intonga. No bribe yodlala intonga bethwe izintonga.
Hayi mina ndimphikisa umuntu one-opinion yakhe ngabo.
Kwenzeke into.
Akunini ithetha le weapon.
I believe lo bukhatywe inkomo.
Yeah,
Khaphela ithethe sikuve.
Ima inkomo enjalo izakhaba idolo li1.
Imkhabile.
Ikhaba ngapi?
Uthi ukhatywe inkomo. Edolweni idolo le1 uthi ukhatywe inkomo.
Uyisenga.
Uthi beyifida.
Ufuna ikhabe ngapi kayi2?
Ubuyifida ngasemva?
Ifitwa kanjani ngasemva?
Like imkhabe njani inkomo?
Inkomo ayikwazi ukukhaba phambili nje. Xa ihamba ithi inkomo ayithi.
So
ikhabe njani?
Akho nje bani explain akho nizoyenza yona nje. Nizoyenza no.
Siba understand.
Ingxaki akho nje bani understand.
No, it doesn't make sense, chief.
No, it's fine.
No, if Flop is that we out here.
Yeah.
I can't do this thing without you.
Sure.
So now I'm a little bit concerned when you come back from holidays. Ungaphelelanga.
Sure.
Lethe lizulu.
Iyanstre. And ngikuthola amaqela ecela labo kuthiwa
awuyokudlala phayo.
kuthiwa zifanele uye cricket.
Yakwazi ukucatshana. Okay, ngizakubonisa. Alipheke erumini nomnye upheke lakhe.
Kuthiwa dlala ngathi ugijiselana ngamathi. Uzazane lakho.
Akachaze nje inyani bro.
Inyani bro.
Etheni bro?
Kwenzeke intoni bro?
Man yeke it doesn't matter.
Otherwise ayongoma.
Hayi ngoma.
Ufita mosufita phambili.
Fita ngaphambili.
I didn't say babe ndifita.
Oh uthanga efita nje. Buyive lesi story. Amna andiyalo mna akandiyazi babe kwenzeke into.
Yakwanyani kulo bro.
Diva ngawo uthi befita ngo.
Hayi nguye thento yakho. Bensithini?
Bro ude wa explain apha kule guest behleli nayo.
Sathini?
Ba ebeyifit ngoboze no wachaza ba ebegalela uthe ugalela
ku-MT. No.
Uyifita mosoko kuseza.
There's a difference between ukufita nokuseza. Xa useza ugalela ngebhotile. Xa ufita ubeka phansi izithelo.
Wena usenzani?
Yaseza.
Useza njani ke ngokuzokhatywa inqina la ngaphambili?
Iyabanjwa kaloku la way. Ibanjwa ngapha nangapha. Iyabotshwa amanqina ngemva nangaphambili.
So ubungasemva wena.
No, andiyazi yeah. Because first of all awunayo nenja, so you will never understand lento yenkomo. It's too difficult. So we understand, Buddha.
Hey, hello, hi. I hope everyone is okay. We're back, man. 2026, New Year. Same guys, Utumza no PK, Sports Edition, another Nefu podcast. PK,
what up?
Njani Grootman?
Mnandi Buddha wamagilas highway. Otherwise, happy 2026. We are on to even now go boy. I hope you are well, Buddha.
Number one. Nice one. It's been a quiet festive season for me, quiet festive season. Yeah, siqala unyaka. Siqala unyaka ngephese phezulu. Siqala unyaka ngephese phezulu, siqala unyaka. So uvale ngephese phezulu, siqala ngephezulu.
Yeah.
Just hope si maintain consistency. Yongela wele yana. Reflections zakho zika 2025, anything that comes to mind? Benjan 2025 for wena.
For me, personally it was good, bro. I got a lot of exposure and I met a lot of people through the channel as well. So 2025 was a big year for me. Was a big year. So I'm grateful on my side. But outside of personally, sport-wise, I still think it was a good year for Umzansi, you know. And the Mecca as well. We've done a lot of things with sport last year. The Eastern Cape and Mecca, South Africa as well. So, yeah, man. It was such a beautiful year.
Ebantwini sport.
Yeah.
On your side? Starting the podcast?
July.
Yeah,
2025.
Was it July? Come on. The first episode?
Yeah, season 2.
Because I know next month we are supposed to be celebrating a year. Next month we're supposed to be celebrating a year. First episode that we ever shot. Hlena lo bra sincokola sincokola into yethi. Now imagine 11 months later, bra. Wow. Yes. 11 months later. So yeah, man. 2025. Also, it was a very difficult year for me. Very difficult year. Been emotions is high.
Sure.
In and out, but managed to pull through. And you coming on board, was joining on the network. I think that was a wise move, Netani. It was a wise move. Nangona wangafuni simsign. Yeah, no wangafuni sign. Wayizulisa. Wayizulisa nezityle. Wahleka isidala kodwa yo. Watugo lapha. So yeah, man, personally, and then sports wise, wow. South Africa qualifying for the World Cup.
Yeah.
Boxing. It was a lot, man. It was a lot.
Yeah, it was a lot.
So yeah, I just hope also going to watch Amanqindi for the first time.
Orient,
yeah,
man.
Me.
Yeah.
No, I'm used to TV, Joe. Ndozama.
First time yakho uvele TV.
Ne?
Yeah.
Na uphawumile phawucula ba.
Yeah, ndivele nyube. Oh, okay. Andimile mandicula.
Cula pa supporting amajita, supporting amajita. Yeah, man. For you, and 2025 personal goals and network wise.
I don't know, Yabo. Because for me, and the Mejarishi on a year basis.
Okay. Oh, sure.
So it's a step. It's one step at a time for Mna. Obviously, the podcast diqale nge-5 February 2023. In fact, the 5 February 2021 dansenze i-audio qha yeka phakathi ke because suke na chaff. Then ke ngo-2023 nge-5 kaMeyi, 5 kaMeyi ndiyaqala. Then yacotha ndaqala ngechannel ku-300 subscribers. Yathatha towards the end of the year uyofikelela ku-500. And then to the I think the following year 2024 yathi 1,000, yakhawuleza yathi 2,000, yakhawuleza yathi 3,000.
Oh, nice.
So by the time ndithetha nawe enoba ndilala got 3 point something ngondithetha nawe ba bra, do you want us to come and do a comment man on the sport? Ayikho loo nto kwelicala. Wathi now I know you don't mind, let's come through together and discuss yonke the way. Sesinayo nala episode yakho ngezasikhathi.
Yeah.
And then from then onwards, boom, 4K sizibona u4K sigqitha sibona ku 4 point something. Boom, 5K siyahamba siya King. Boom, 6K siyahamba siya ku Siseko.
Yeah.
Ngoku sesiqithile sesifike ku 7.
Yeah.
Siyafika senze laa nto ibiphala masithi games night.
It was a week before the fight.
Oh yes.
Yeah, a week before fight.
Yeah, we worked on getting 7K before unantsika, before kuphela unyaka, and we did. Ngoku siqala unyaka njengoba ndithetha nawe nje.
Probably by the end of the week.
I don't think.
Probably by the end of the week we'll be on 8,000.
Yeah. Possible.
And la way ikhula ngo-drop.
Egalo end of the week, which is not the
Oh yes. Oh, end of the week. Yeah, obviously sizobe siku 8K. Same zenke le week 8K activate. Then city 9, city 10. So umhlambi xa seku-10 ndizoba ne-reflective moment egrand xa seku-10 because xa mna ndisetele uba ngasithi 10 ngapha sibe sesiku-5 ngapha apho ku-sports ingqondo yam itsho uba immediately we get to 10 this side attention yonke ngoku siyipushela uba at least nalapha masiyazi and sithi sisenze ezi ways zethu zoyoncokola nabantu kuloo way mo-subscribe man koyethu uzayibona phaa le way yonke. So without making this a long thing, but I think I did not see as a school. Had we not come together, and even if we were, and even now, it was it's warming up to something. It was only until Ubike joined, and then we have as ways a corner. Oh, okay, actually, yeah, cool, because now we got another person. And then from London, another person, we get boxing. Boxing is a serious, but it's a thing, but in attention and platform. So now that we are in and we have attended this way, and for such a little time to have, and imagine in a situation where this is soccer. Udlala ne-former champions masithi abaformer abantu uncokola nabantu abasuka bamba Bedway Premiership abantu abasuka bamba AFCON mhlawumbe okanye Champions League because all the Meva Mabhuti Nantsika never yabo world champions so if iqualify ngolo hlobo ndicinga uba mna we are only 5 or 10 episodes to be number 1 eMzantsi because boxing talk unezi connections is 10 now we might be 3rd or 4th, but we just need five more.
Yeah.
And then that's it. We are there. And then how do we maintain
Powerful.
Consistency.
Yeah. Consistency. Otherwise, I think growth is there. Because we wouldn't be here if we were not growing.
The team yako.
Huh?
The team yako growth.
Team yam?
Which team?
Oh, Chiefs. Tashrik Matthews team there.
Players and downs.
Man, Tashrik Morris. Yeah.
Kevin.
Oh, yeah, man. Kangenza nix.
Sasihlela bazithu sibuza kwenza wabuza wena uthi uzawukonda akho taro zakukora ko.
Okay, ngenani ku episodes.
Did you do lawe?
Yeah, ndiyenzile but izakwenziwa njani because andibasikanga mna and ngokilapha mina bencinga sizoyenza insights sizayenza after sikwenze liphume earlier than.
Okay, no, it's fine, no stress as long as ikhona. Wathunya kuphela kwakho isigaxa mfundeni.
What? Is this unknown?
Isigaxa. Sisuke apha we went to watch the boy defend his title. Luckily we've had Ukhrotmani pulling through Nantsika podcast to speak about everything that happened. That
just club.
Yeah, club.
Oh.
Previous episode later.
Sure.
Ilemos by Betetis team.
Yeah.
But if Ziv uses it to go easy, how do we feel? Because also see vanilla situation about boy on the day of the fight they were recalling the trainers not to go to just your thoughts on the whole situation, man. You've heard the Ukhrotmani side like I understand, but okay, this is why. When you first saw the piece or the article published, you don't take that. So say explanation so reveal what was going through your mind when that whole thing was published.
Well, into a contract it's very difficult, man. So when I saw the article Ogba Uteisa is no longer part of a club boxing promotion, of course it's something that was always looming around. Ogba, it is going to happen if there is no agreement between them, but you know the pressure that the boys are the lifestyle abayibonayo eGauteng, it might have an impact to the boxers ezikhoyo apha eBCM okanye kwiMeko ngoba you know what insuku zama apha zibaliwe, you know, it's like a ticking bomb, you know, but I wasn't expecting ukuba it's something ezokwenzeka soon.
Yo, bro.
You know, I was expecting, but okay, maybe if
Let's say happy for win.
we were happy, and remember ukuba uTeise, we're calling him the face of boxing of America, no? And also Nakwiklaba, he was doing very well. You know, if you can check the other guys as Koyopayan, he's someone that is present. You know, but it has happened. If Asivumelani contract, then it is what it is, bro. So there's no other way, and we had the explanations.
Yeah.
Now we don't assume about Iqaba boxing promotion bimphethe kanje okanye nguseko uye wayibehave towards this. Now we had we civil explanation, so at least it gives us okokuba sithethe freely, unlike to sithethe the hearsays. Yo,
hey bro,
vilo mkhulu wabhango ngathi bana ebehleli nathi apha wachaza ba kulo mcimbi ke weloyalty behleli nathi apha echaza ba uMendown ebeyazi nawava long before ndiqondile ba kanjani kaloku kokukhe bendike ndayiva ku Facebook ukuba ukho umuntu owacongratulate umuntu pha
omkhulu
ngoku ibho hayi uyavala but ke
yebona ndothu
contributing factors mhlambe ezinye so sometimes you do good ne and I think the more good you do you standard on yourself so now even if you do the minimum good abantu abaxoli even though you did good but it's because that I think that's also why engafumananga na fight of the night because number one a lot was happening at the same time.
It was watered down.
But again
man,
must I accept?
Yo, I won't lie. Galamini isibenzenzana. I think yavela kuwe ne. I think wayifake egroup PK. Like man, who's it? Naliweba. Yeah, I understand, man, you know, I understand, but life happens, you know, and you move on, you know, and hopefully soon we will bring them to the platform, you know. But what's the goal? What are the plans for the boy, you know, by team? Because Landers Aziteta, the boy is the face of boxing as East London.
For sure.
So we
still he is.
What would it take? I'm not talking about him, but I'm just saying, what would it take for kulo mcimbi wele face, because ngathi is less consistent kuyo lo mcimbi face of
Meg.
So what would it take for someone to be dethroned? Kofuneka lose iband?
No, like I'll make an example with football. You ask who's the face of South African football.
Let's say who's the face of Mamelodi Sundowns?
It's Themba Zwane.
Oh, of course, the first person.
Themba Zwane.
The first person that comes to mind.
Okay.
Be it injured or not injured. When you're saying the face of Ido, it doesn't mean on team. For instance, Class City, Neyful. The first person that comes to mind is Kamako. You understand? The first person when you say Sundowns, Themba Zwane.
Kaizer Chiefs. I think Themba will be wrong. Sundowns.
So with boxing, yes, East London. It's the name whereby uzati. Xa ucinga ngelo gama, xa ucinga ngalo mntu, ucinga indlela aziphethe ngayo. Ne? On and off the ring. I-presence yakhe on social media. I-impact yakhe kwi-community yakhe. You understand? Like into yaseringini as much as now it's a contributing factor, but when you are the face of something, I think if you come
Because
I understand.
so that means
Yeah.
then it must not be the ring empty thrown out.
Yeah, for sure. For
Because
sure, yeah.
zizinto ezibanja as contributor as what he does on the ring will also play a huge.
Because ndinento ethi umkhulu naye was once a face umeza lona wakhe. Was once a face.
Yeah, he was.
He was.
And then
he was.
kwenzeka lando outside, in fact eringini kwenzeka la way yobenisho and outside the ring kwenzeka le yayo way.
Yabo lanitsho izinto ezininzi ezithile the play a role. Le yaseringini yona I feel like iba the last box that you tick.
Yeah.
Okay.
But also, I would say, Panda, he is a potential face of boxing.
In South
No, not fully. We can say, not fully. I can say, but he is currently the face.
Nah.
But he is
Potential.
the potential face because
There's certain things now.
yes. When you look back,
So who's the face girl?
no, I cannot give you anyone at the moment.
Who's the first person where like kuthethwa ngamanqindi?
Yes.
Yo. Kasenibona ubani.
Yeah, because you know what, if you track back, you era kamapere, people they will know, they will go to Orient Theatre because une impact xa kuthiwa ukhona yena ebhawutini to the ticket sales. You know, abantu they know uba yokudlala amapere.
But you say nje une impact ku ticket sales.
He is, but akakafiki kula level.
Mhlambe we need 2 more fights.
I think so.
Maputi Sinyabe.
Yeah.
Do you remember era kaMaputi?
Do you remember? Yes.
Maputi beqala nge-radio ne-TV interviews, Facebook wakhe.
Na boys
You
ziyayenza lo
understand?
way.
But it goes back to lana besike sayithetha last year uba most is light ngoku they reserved because if wenza too much kuthiwa uyaphapha.
Yeah, uthetha kakhulu. Yeah.
Awukenzi into.
Yeah.
You understand? Now lamachita, they need to be bold enough to say, I need to take care of myself outside the ring so that ndizokwazi ukwenza inantsika imali izonsustain besides le. Of which into ehleli siyithetha le.
So previously gone late 90s being by face.
Late 90s.
Yeah.
Pravito.
Okay.
Pravito.
Early 2000s.
Hawk Makepula. I'll say.
Kabula.
Yeah.
Okay.
Kabula as well.
Then from 2010s ukonyukela to 2015.
Amek.
Okay. Retirisha ngazinga 2015. From 2015 ke ngoku.
From my side.
Ufike late, okay, masingathethe now because ufike late wena ku-boxing.
No,
uqala noyoyibukela. Sendisitsho lokhu ngoku.
I've always been a fan of boxing.
Yes.
There's no one after uMaputi
yes.
oyibekewe so boxing.
Oh, yima bra, suthetha njalo because kusekhona okhuze yabana. Kaloku what we need to check kulo mcimbi we-face is also wazisile na amehlo uzange abe world champion uGotman. As much as any charisma enento yonke but zange abe world champion. Zange abe naye neshort ku world champion. Yabo? So xa kuthethwa i-technicalities ze-boxing uthetha thule. Yabo? But mhlawumbe masithi kubekho ngoku umuntu within ixesha lakhe ofana noNomeva owaye world champion.
Yeah, for sure.
Yabo? IBO unebhandi IBO pha unansika plus no Africa IBO lena lawe green WBC le yabo pha kweJimini. So there's no knock in this thing, but what I'm saying is even within la era yakhe bakhona abanye abantu who went out where our exports went and fought for a world and then bawi.
Yeah, for sure.
Yabo? So what iyavakala xa usithi ngoBravito because uBravito CT was beka ku world stage umdantsane.
Yeah, for
sure. Defender 13 times. Yabo lo hlobo lakhona. So now do we still say we face even if you've never
Kaloku it goes to land besithethe criteria. The criteria. What boxes that we need to tick so that it be a full package.
Okay.
Yeah, I understand. If ubuvile, there's boxes that we need to tick.
Yeah, for
so
sure.
that you valid the full package. The era you profit there was no social media or anything.
And
If-
they still managed to
Yeah,
be famous.
you understand?
They managed.
Even in TV, there were limitations to TV.
Because bemnyama.
Not even like it's not every household had TV. It's not every household had umbani.
Yeah.
Yeah, I understand.
And also kaloku with the eyes, media was owned by white people in the 90s.
Yeah, for
up
sure.
until mhlambe 2000s ke ngoku. So a lot of those guys, they were not looking at the black guys.
That much.
And even xa kubalwa top 10s endondoni kuqala ngo94 ngondondoni.
Yeah.
Aba bantu bamnyama babentswambu ngeza sikhathi ze-apartheid ayingobantu banento onoziphulisha out uthi you nathi weyikabani
It's not
yabo.
archived.
Yeah.
Yabo. So ile show ke ngoku even the reason why mna ne le way bendithethe ngomabhuti. Mna I'm looking at in out of your ring.
Okay.
How you sell yourself.
Yeah.
to
Oh, okay, sorry. After that kaloku kuye kwangena uGotman natsika Branham Z.
Yeah.
So masithi ke after Bramabra kuye kwangena uBranham Z.
Yeah.
Face because singathi pheli because uqale phanya anyway yak nala 15 seconds yenze after 2015
Yes.
a knockout yabona ba world recognition wana no world title yabo ba wenze wafumana ne sponsorships ezizinkulu ezine unprecedented
Yeah, he
yabo
did it.
so
Yeah.
yeah xa siphuma pha that means most NU12 has been uBravito
Kulapha besiya khona ke.
I'm trying to count ba okonke ka 12 le award ye face okonke ka 12
Yeah, for sure.
iyathiwa iBayton nje ethiwa kuthiwa ina
You can-
njengangoku then ke we can
Useko.
say ba nguseko
Yeah.
But he's not there.
We are saying
He
potential.
has
Bruh.
potential.
usho
In the
tando
face.
because nje uzibalileyo uyazenza zonke amatekiti uyawugcwalisa
Can he sell Orient on his own?
obviously if we were to there's no way to know for sure ba
Ne.
he sold this on his own.
Does he have that social media presence?
He does.
No, it does.
He has it from mna. When I post a clip, yeah, just go and check in numbers.
That's you posting. I'm talking about him. There's a huge difference. Xa upostwa yena xa posta yena on his own. When a PK.
Yeah.
Yeah, I understand.
Yeah.
Because we might shoot a clip here.
Yeah.
I post it. It gets 2 views and 1 like. You take the very same clip you post it.
Okay.
Yeah, I understand.
I get that.
Yeah.
But
So for me, I feel like his social media presence here is not there yet. Ikhona ubukhona, but it's not there yet.
They were.
Command uba to command brands to work with me.
Okay.
but when umchekisha jonga ngokachazayo ba uye voice lounge uchekishe pha ba ithe ku 3k likes zodwa
On what?
ngokathi uya
On Facebook.
kuye ku voice lounge
That's only Facebook.
ufuna bani wena
On the social media, the whole.
but yabona
Presence,
khange kwenziwe
yeah.
lento khange kwenziwe lento kwazinye iface ezi ba scrutinize
Amaxesha wafani.
yes but kutheni nje ngathi ngoku lento umcingisayo le uyasuperforma grand kuye akuthiwa ka perform grand
Akasiva lo Mac.
For me, I'm not khona into umxingisayo. He is growing.
He's growing.
He's growing. And him na if he can do this kancinci uzaba iface okanye if uhambe pha.
so
No,
asina face ngoku nicho
No.
he is the potential face.
Ayikho.
He is the potential.
uyi number 1 contender by face
For sure, we can say that.
number 2 nguba uyem
No, I would say him. No, I wouldn't say him. I don't know, bro, but Umoyisi is got that thing.
Okay. Is it based on kwabalapha cha or walapho kwenye indawo?
kaloku awusipani xa ngokwenye indawo
No, walapho zalele apho.
kaloku
No.
bengasoza qualify nabanye abantu nje baninzi
Yeah,
abantu abalapha
Based abantu-
abasejozi
based abantu
kaloku
abalapha.
Based
that
abantu
have
abalapha
muscle
nje.
yobantswambo
Okay.
Yeah.
asithethi ngamasile apha
Yeah.
jonga masenze umzekelo ngomculo ukhona umuntu oyi-artist umbona uba yewunzwami lo muntu but ukwi-height angayideserviyo
Yeah.
for elixesha akhoyo kwi-industry ubona uba unengoma eyi-1 lo muntu lo but mhlambi everywhere unika izilot ze-15 minutes uzaphefuma ingoma kayi-4 le ngoma iyi-1 injalo ke into yoba uthi uyiboxer ngathi ufumane imuscle eninzi yokupusha uthi lifike umachorisha to buy lento bekumele ba uyiyo ube kudala ukulendo and then maybe you fumbled because ufumene premature into ezininzi.
Yeah. No, ndiyavakala. But yeah, there's a switch bro. He's got the potential, but it's opinion.
Let's
No, it is.
Let's-
it is
okay.
an
We
opinion.
have different opinions
Yes,
of which
yeah,
is constructive towards
for sure.
the boy
Oh, for sure.
let's
going lendlela zifanele be.
let's masiyiconclude nomcimbi weface singayiyeki phakathi. Let's maybe give them uthe one masibabeke babe bayi-4 then sibone about which one are we convinced with.
Kumeka.
Yeah.
You know what? The fact that you are not fighting and you are not present, Bandwin, it dethrone you. Azinga is ulapha, but no one knows about what's going on go Azinga. You know. Ukirha is here. Uqoba kuvuka naye.
Unebhandi
Yeah,
international.
unebhand. And after la loss yakhe lamjita seMalawi naye kwaba ngathi wehla phofu wehla like wangathi uphelile. So if you are not fighting as well as asikuboni, you might be a good boxer, you might have zonke techniques, you might have abantu abakuthandayo, but if you're not present, then slightly uyehla. So I would say the present ones ezikhoyo ngoku, I'll give uPanda number 1, I'll give Moise number 2. Of course I'll give
So Moise ba winela international uyathini yonyuka.
not beyonyuka, but he bayakhula abafana.
Okay.
Bayakhula abafana.
Anifuni nika mntu.
No, and andifuna ukuthi hayi bawinile
Bancamele.
then uzoba ngapha koPanda. No, uyakhula uPanda ne-style sakhe sokulwa. Ne-style sakhe sokutsala abantu. uMoise is someone that is reserved. Abantu bathanda uhlobo lwangalo. Ha, yabo. But uPanda abantu bathanda the technique yakhe nohlobo akwazi ukuzithethela ngalo.
Masikabe sibeka uPanda ngoku.
Yeah.
Yabo
For sure.
singabikho aimed anilweli yena but
Yeah.
why do we
Iyafuna
the episode
le
yesine lena sithetha ngo-face
Yeah.
episode but we don't have a definite face.
It's because ayikho.
Okay.
Let's agree to disagree.
Brawam, I wish bekukho i-podcast ezi-4 apha e-East London
Yeah.
ezi-hot ezithetha nge-boxing.
Yeah.
Yabo ngoku i-Voice Lounge nithina.
Yeah.
Yabo kubani face between thina ne-Voice Lounge kubani face ye-boxing.
We are the face.
Awuzofaka abanye abantu.
We are.
But I'm trying.
We are the face.
Ndisuka pha.
No.
So nangolesine uzabupha.
Why are we giving people airtime?
Okay. But ke ngabo. What I'm trying to show
What do you
okanye to
mean
say.
ngabo?
Ndithi kaloku ngabo ndisusa igama ngoku. Andifuna ubiza bona, abantu sithi bona. Yeah. What I'm trying to show or to say is it is not fair to say let's wait for something to happen.
Yeah.
To give someone a title by face. Even though siyazi baku-empty apha akukho zi-contenders ninzi.
Yes.
Yena lo usencochoyini makayibe yi-face and then whoever wants to check i-blueprint yoba yi-face uyayazi uba makajonge kubani.
I hear you.
Because ngoku there's no proper criteria ngoku. If ungixelela ngo-social media, nayo social media presence boy. If ungixelela ngamatikiti, checkisha abantu the next time sisiya kwi-fight nayo zombuzele ba. In fact nguwe bebuza abantu pha ba nize uzobukela abantu bebesithini ku.
I know.
What do you need? What more do you need?
Yeah.
Kaloku lo meka kasiva Brian.
Susifaka, somfaka uyandiva yena.
Yabo.
Siya-
Wena Brian ufuna a definite number 1.
So long. We are starting the year with
hence mna.
one person. Imagine a boy trained for 2 months.
Hence mna City. I do not feel he's there yet.
Okay. Okay, sure.
He's on the way. He's not there yet.
Yeah.
He hasn't arrived. iflight yakhe ayikafiki. Yeah, understand. Isaphuma ayikafiki iflight yakhe ayika isaphuma. The pilot ayikashilo ba yeah we've reached 70,000 altitude what wakhulula seat belt wambu toilet
if unyoliwe
yeah unyoliwe
still akayiyo
for a world title
after
noba regardless of performance
yeah after
kodwa umuntu bras yabona unathi yena umsimiyekile yena abe yiface kodwa khangabe naye natsika kodwa lona kuthoma bras okay but okay sithe xesha elininzi kule way beningakhange nicinge lana andimute niqhubekele
ubra ke ngoku ubeze up wathi he's done with boxing jiki uyabuya
who's that
ubroba
no mev
last fight
kaloku ebethe uretirishile
yeah
so ngokuphindile uyabuka kaloku once you announce ukuthi you have retired it means you're not going to participate
ayizothemba zakhe ziyazithi emotion dansitsho nami ndithi emotion libhala lana ba retired so now uyicontemplateile wayibona ne reception yabantu ngoku ufuna ukuhamba on his own terms
so that's why the raise I want us to speak or share our views on him coming out. Like the way we he was a bit he took that decision based on emotions after losing the fight. Yeah, I understand. So now do not ever make a decision when you are happy or sad.
I make it when you are happy.
No. Life that's the flip side of izinto. Because you'll make a certain decision happy. But yes.
Yeah.
What ukhawenza umzekelo we decision oyenza uhappy engekho grand
se groove uhappy phone uyothenga iCarpack ezithuze iStrombies qwa awuvuka kusasa yo bencinga loni nkosi yami you took that decision you were happy
so ufuna ukuthini ke
you need to balance critical decisions thousand.
Okay,
so what are you saying is that unomeva kuba ithe uyaphinda uyabuya
like don't come ukayithithayo ne I feel like it was a premature decision to say he's retiring from boxing. I understand because even now ukusahleli naye we even asked him I feel about you why ndi happy now ndiyavele nditye don't I understand he seemed as if he's someone who's enjoying
ukhona mosinawo ngokubela
abengekho
no now when khona before when I was preparing to go to Canada.
So when he came and we had that chat he felt like someone or was enjoying being at home angajimi kakhulu but now boom he's coming back he's fighting.
I would say it's a premature decision.
Nonditsho leyawa yayithathile yoba uya retire.
I'm saying yona.
Oh okay.
When he felt okokuba the time it's up he felt it ne team yakhe for sure but it is fair for Unomeva to come awisikhethini yakhe apha eBCM. You know so mna ndithandile lento okokuba no even though I said ba ndiyekile but I would like to have uBabai Orient Theatre apho yonke ifame yami iqale khona you know so for me Nobuzawula is still retired. You know it's like it's sort of exhibition goku. I don't think like ba okay izoba cash weight mhlambe bout but
is it an official fight or exhibition?
It will be official.
Amagama anikiweyo ngabantu bathe ngabantu abangakho nantsika abangakho active.
Yeah.
So ufuna umuntu active yena.
That would be official.
Ufuna be official bout yakhe ukubela.
Okay.
And ayizoba se Orient, ayizoba se Hemingways.
Abase ICC.
Absa.
Absa Stadium.
Yeah.
That's good though.
So to expect 5,000 because kuzabe kukho angazi make kufuna ndithethile le but ke uyawusuka ngxele kuzabe kukho no khoni
Yeah.
like aba bantu bakhe baseJozi
Yeah.
bazafly bonke
It will be a good thing. It will be a good thing.
It's a good thing.
No, Big Zulu vumile ba uyazwakala. So I think they are in talks with uNansika ngoCasper.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's in talks with him. If mhlambe if uvumile if on board to Casper, that means Absa usecuriwe.
Yona nto besiyidinga from Nomeva because
Farewell, send off.
That's a send off ke ngoku.
Befitting
Then
farewell.
we say ukuba okay.
So into
you've done
beyithetha
your
ke last thing nje overshare. Into beyithetha is that befuna sibe with him
Oh, nah,
during
yeah,
the week.
Yeah.
During the week ngokufika kwakhe.
Sure.
Yabo, so that asilungiselele aba bantu to
Come
over. Yes. And then we have ezifana face off ezabalapha with him and non nezinye ibouts ezinozifumana pha, but uthe amateur level akayazi noba sayifuna na mhlambi to just have maybe we can do handheld ku amateur level and then ke ku pro season elihlobo
asinawufumana ifight mina nawe ba
Biden again ubawe ni nathi
ngu-110
120 mafuna drop weight
Exhibition.
i-exhibition konid to drop
There's no need for it.
yakubawela
konxaki akonxaki but man I don't think asaziwa in that level thina because le nto beyithwasela notayisi yo wayiposta la clip
ndibonile ba
Ngayithwasela.
ekuthiweni sithandaziwe but you know sometimes abantu I feel like
bonile fa ndikufakile noba uthethi fakwenzela ubonwe nawo
Yebo.
ndiyazile uba izawutrenda la clip
clip.
iye wanditatsha loba canda ndimthumelele ndaphinda ndayi-edit ndafaka wena pha egqibeleni uvele ebusweni kwenzela
Kanti
nomntu uthethe
bona
kwi-background
wayibona.
like okay ke but ke
Kanti bo. No, I feel like abanye abantu you know abanye abantu they become touched zizinto ezincinci. You know, because if you listen to what Xolisani is saying there, he's not saying akekho famous. So Upra famous Ikasi with what he has done for Ikasi and everything. Yeah. But now, when you put him, you put a big Zulu to say ulwa naye, ne? Who's going to pull the numbers?
yeah,
In terms of people sales, ticket sales.
Yeah, for sure.
I get what they were both saying. They were understandable.
Yeah.
Yena ithe chungu into yobana athi qala kodwa ifight izokwenza sense. Yabo yena akathethi ngasense. Ayinokwenza. Let's say kuzobe kukho Nomeva pha, kuzobe kukho mhlambi nomabhudi. Already sense sense in terms of ticket. What more ezinye fights is unless ufuna sibe main event zonke, otherwise ezinye fights azidingi ukwenza sense in terms of ticket sales because say ikhona fight ticket sales.
Matchmaking needs to be proper.
Unyanisile matchmaking needs to be proper. But xa ijonga kula fight ka Pretty Ugly no Casper Nyovest bezikhona ezinye fights phayana ebezintswambu futhi.
Asikhona.
Asikhona. Lapha kule Nak Music asikhona fights with professional boxing.
Sathi sigeda thina lathi ke Sunbet Arena yabipheli fight.
That's gone. Yeah, that's gone.
So what I'm trying to tell you is that as our fights ziyazingabaleki
Yeah.
xa i-main bout ingekanansiki sifika kusiliwa phathini we did not care.
Hayibo. Jonas
Obviously kaloku we did not care as much as we cared ngokudlala uMoyisi noPhanda.
Yeah, for sure.
Yabo?
Yeah.
So what I'm saying zikhona bazabe bekhona abantu bamatikiti. Why do you need everyone else to sell tickets kodwa so ugcwele if i-capacity ngu-5,000 bonke abanye abantu abazabe bephayana bangamenza easily u-5,000. Why you sithi yenza i-sense based on ticket sales? I think that was the issue with him nalanto bithetho ba why ungathi ngoku andinokwazi ulwa naye mna usebenzisa ifame as the only reason why ndingenokwazi ulwa naye.
No, yavakala bro. 2026 Nomeva we're coming out of retirement.
Sure.
King versus Azingafuzini.
Idinga predictions ke zenu ke leya baqala ngoginga uMnomeva ngoba siusena mkhokonqa ngo masingene pha injani la performance yakhe.
Hayi jonga dikhumbula kahle fight. I think out of all the fights that were there ka Ginqi no Okay.
Yeah, okay. Yeah.
Kwei,
Yeah.
I watched la fight. Ulonki weme up emvini kwa. Umane yogena ke phakathi. Bambambile. Umaze kuba lena iyeza I think it was around 8. Iyeza kuginqa la bra. Ela to an extent yoba xa kuphela uthe kuphela fight when we having that engagement with Amachita. Uyathintitha mos
Okay. Yeah.
Umyaphicanga ingathi ubethwe iforum bro indawo ezikwazuki ingathi ubethwe iforum but the quality ye fight it was tops
kubeni inkulu azinga bekusuppose ulwile ngodici kodwa bayicancellation
Cancellation redemption. I think bengalwa ngo-April. I think ebelwile ngo-April eRussia. And he lost. Yeah,
coming from a loss now fighting a champion esandowina ngoDecember.
Yeah. No, it will be a good fight. It will be a good fight. And
yavo kuthiwa Azinga will knock Ginga out in 5 rounds.
but
yeah.
Kudoda ndoda.
No, it will be a good fight. You know, his styles zabo zokulwa, they are way different.
Nimkhumbule ke uAzinga ke why retire she nansi kuMcMahon.
Yes. Uginqi, it's someone that uyaziphacer.
yeah
You know, akafuna ukucontrol my opponent, you know, and feet. You know, uyanyamezela. UAzinga, it's someone that got that science of boxing, you know. Naye ungumntu une-style sakhe sokulwa man. You know, uyakwazi to read the opponent and uyakwazi where to pick i-punches zakhe uba makabethe njani makathini. So it's going to be a great fight. And I know abantu abaninzi they are backing up okanye they are not backing up, but they are saying this fight is too much for King
I'm going with
because of footprint yakhe uAzinga fuzile.
Come ke bras, come and booze. Go February.
Yeah.
Kubani headliner.
where
Go February. Yeah.
Then nguginqe ngokungona tse ngoApril.
Ngo-April nguking.
Then ngoJune ba.
Ngumoyise.
Akaluka i2 Moise ngo April ngo
Kaloku ukhumbula iBS ku boxing South Africa.
I think.
Ufuna udefend within 3 months. Inatse ke ibhan lakho. So winile ngoDecember, January, February, March. So uyalwa March.
Yeah.
Ulwela iSA.
Defending, yeah.
Then ke ngoJune beyila international.
nalawuthi Argentina
Yeah, South America. Yeah.
mina nama nogini ayide
Uginqi Azinga ku.
Yeah. It's very difficult to predict the way, but I would say, uAzinga une-edge. Azinga's got an edge.
uhamba nabani xolela nge-edge
I'm going with Azinga lo.
xolela nge-edge lo bro wena asokolisa lo bro
Masi Mamelandi, just a quick thing.
Sure.
Siseko belwile.
Yeah, for sure.
Uthongwana khangalwe. Thongwana had months ezininzi zo preparation for usiseko ebesilwela iIBF Intercontinental. And bibonakala lonto.
For sure.
Ngokubalwayo ba hey boy imfundile usiseko. Because besicinga izaba walk in the park leya.
awungapheniki
Ngoku hey yagqitha ku8 kuyaconvincewana hayi uyibambile useko one bekudingeka iphantshi eyi1 mhlamba awe ngephantshi angabe ngotsibilika then bingazokuma ngufinish but bezawukrokisa if it went another way. Then ke from I think from 10 11 12 hayi there's a clear ba hayi ngoku bisediniwe but ndiye ndafunda into yobana xa unexesha loyifunda opponent yakho uyakwazi uba ne-edge than yona ihoyanga wena ihoye lo mntu izalwa naye now ufuneka ifunde wena but with a limited time wena ubunento engangunyaka ufunda yona. So with that being said ndingatsho ndithi uAzinga uzawina with only that
asibhejeni
it's better no
into tangible
okay into zakwazi ikhupha ke
masenze noba nomasibhejeni nandihamba noginqi gonqi
asithi like nansi ke into endikayo ngale way ingathi ngoku against umuntu othile andithethi ngawe sensitsho if we are of opposing opinions isuke ibe ngathi lo muntu ndim-opposayo
ungasazi isport
maxesha amaninzi banjalo
bangathi lo
boxing
udibane naye face to face for interview akunika into ezifani awuthi akayobhoxa but based on i-understanding yakho of how things will unfold
and your opinion
opinion yakho if someone does not accept opinion yakho then ambodlala itennis abuzodlala wena wedwa ungakhompi sport uyodlala iPlayStation ke uthini
kuthiwa Azinga would not let the fight go at distance. We know his work rate is low, hence ezoyicima instant.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
I should be.
No, that's against.
Inxakolo namba kamphathi funa umphathi xa ibukele abone ba oh hayi no ukhona into onibhekishaya.
Yabona uthitha ke ngoku izawuvela ngoluhlobo kwabanye abantu ke lento le
bese baza beyibonile le bithethwa nguwe
yo bra yabaza abantu baleke yo bra masiphumene kulento boxing futhi bafana exit
ukuthiwa is the plug in today gents
nangu loqawule iplug
nangu sise grand kwalento ibele lihlobo yonke into grand bro
nangu lumoshe yonke lento nangu
si grand namhlanje
lamlenze ukhatywe inkomo
okay I can move on ufuna ucofa record
bafana phingo
ufuna lokho iyaphela ixesha basofuna iphinde lobethu
bafana just your thoughts on AFCON.
For me, from the first game I saw by Bafana, I won't go for. It won't take it distance with AFCON. And if you can check the experience that we had, so from the first game I was not impressed against Angola. So I saw by Bafana. There is no way that we are going to get the podium. Like we did on the 2023, the Ivory Coast. So for me, no, I was not surprised. Klabe Puma, and checking the tactics, the Zga coach as well, and the experience players that Anazo, the experience, much it for men, you know. I always say, but in the experience, it will always show up. Noba wenzeka. So we didn't have that hunger with boys abezikona. The talent is there, but the hunger was not there. So I was expecting that after the first game in Angola. And remember that we concede goals each and every game. That's where I saw there is no way that we're going up to the quarterfinals, the semifinals, and to the finals.
That's this. I feel like the team was not balanced. Well,
sure.
It was not balanced. Could be factors of players before the tournament were injured.
Yeah.
Some were not on form. They were not playing. So the coach could not get the best.
The best, yeah.
You know, to go to the tournament. Because when I look at the defensive line, the pairing Kambogazi and Ungezana.
Yeah.
A new combination in a major tournament. Take nothing away from the performance. They did well according to a situation.
Oh, okay. Sure.
Well, big ups to Mbombolakazi. You know, for 19, 20-year-old, he showed guts.
Yeah.
Showed determination. Was bonagalisi, you know, it was not a fluke. Jose Riviero to have trust. Also, him wearing a captain's armband at Pirates. At that age, you know. So, his squad, I'm not gonna lie, it was just a matter of being patriotic to say, yeah, we'll do it. But when the final squad was announced, I remember we did a prediction.
The selection.
You know, I was not convinced that we have a strong squad defensively and attacking.
Yeah.
You know, like, I don't think we had more than 10 shots on target the whole tournament.
Jeez, man.
I don't think we had more than 10 shots on target the whole tournament. It goes to show about we were very thin in terms of attack. You know, you see on social media people talking about Spola playing as a 10. I've never seen Sipombulu playing as a 10. I remember first watching him with Hill. He was playing a pack of hence the name Master Chef. Picking Biza. Took some busy
was cooking.
I understand. Really, you know, I thought he was gonna get more minutes under his belt, you know, but unfortunately, but he showed his glimpses, you know,
Against Cameroon.
Cameroon. You know, feel like at that point, sometimes it might not show, but I feel like the boy, there's a lot on his shoulders, and the more he doesn't play, the more he has fights within himself.
Blaming himself.
He's blaming himself, you know, and for him to go and start against Cameroon in a knockout, I don't think that was fair on the boy. I don't think that was fair on the boy. You haven't started him in the previous games. Now you throw him in the deep end, you know. But Gay is a professional footballer. People will say, yeah, that's his job. He gets paid to do that. But emotional side of it, in a zinto. But the only thing ending I turned hanga, it's when you hear people saying Hugo Bruce must go. I know me and you, we differ there. I'm not gonna lie. The guy has done a lot for South African football.
Sure.
You know, from where Bafana was when he took over, the players that were playing for Bafana when he took over, to where Bafana is today. I do not recall the last time we hosted AFCON 96. We didn't qualify. We qualified for 98. Did we qualify for 2000? I don't think. We've never qualified back to back. We AFCON.
I'm not sure about that.
But I stand to be corrected, but I don't think so. The World Cup. When was the last time we qualified for a World Cup? 2002.
Yeah, straight. Just to qualify.
Yeah, I understand. 98, 2002.
France, Korea.
Yeah, I understand. Those are the last times we qualified. When was the last time you saw Bafana playing all over the country in maximum capacity? When was the last time Bafana played interesting, attractive football? Upper Bantu, they want to go and celebrate. They want to go and be there by your feeler. You know, now you're saying he must go. If you're saying he must go, who's going to take over?
Well, that's the thing, bro. I think the emotions.
I was on Esporting.
Yeah, for sure. Yeah, Londo was but the defeat, it's not nice. So people will say a lot of things when team from the selection, as you are saying, Hugo Bruce, he was a bit compromised, man. Kwesa squad to score you. I would say the underperforming Sundowns, it's now a national crisis. Because when Sundowns was performing in that year, we get to the podium at Ivory Coast, Hugo Bruce took a lot of players to Mamelodi Sundowns. And remember that Mamelodi Sundowns players, they are playing in CAF Champions League every year, almost over 10 years now. So when players of Sundowns were not there, and not because of Hugo has phone, but you get Ukekana that is in and out with Sundowns, and you check Utapelo Morena got injured, you check Uzwane got injured, and Umtobi Mvala was not there because of injury. You check Adams was there in 2023 because of
but it was at Stellies.
On and off. Yeah, but Garogu form.
So
He's not carrying the form with Stellies to Mamelodi Sundowns. So that's a fact. There are many players as with Sundowns that were there in 2023 because of they were not performing, or because of the injuries. That's why they're not performing. The injuries, there was an impact. Hugo Bruce must select. It's a must. Select Orlando Pirates. And the performance of Orlando Pirates in the cup competition, it came at the right time because we're going to AFCON, and the boys, they got equal up. And the Pirates was dominating. But it shows when we get there to the bigger stage, boys, we're still young. And most of those players, they are not consistent with CAF Champions League with Orlando Pirates. Omoremi, it was the first time. And Orile, they were just carrying the Orlando Pirates last season. Now, it's difficult to go back. Orile will play. But it was a bit compromising with Hugo Bruce. Now, to say if you say about Hugo Bruce, I would not agree with you. Hugo Bruce makagqibezela umsebenzi wakhe man. Makagqibezela umsebenzi wakhe. Let's go to a World Cup and select his players as funayo. Yeah.
No coach in the world that could coach South Africa but might win a World Cup. No baba fake bana.
It's not about winning the World Cup. We will. There's no African team will win the World Cup, man.
That's what I'm saying. Don't let pressure. But say World Cup makahambe.
Yeah.
Uzawuhamba thini? Lo mntu uzawufika abe ingabikho fair pressures awungena kuyo.
I think also the football loving people. Sometimes we out of a rich reality.
Yeah. We have reality check
we have these expectations that now when you sit down with yourself, okay, was I in the right frame of mind? We can do this. No, you understand? But kuna question in OPK. He spoke about Sundowns and off-form Sundowns. Played a huge role. So, are you one of those people that are saying Sundowns is killing South African football?
Killing?
Yeah.
No, I wouldn't say it's killing South African football. We are Sigulenda Square because of the impact that the players of Sundowns. So, without them, we wouldn't get to the podium with 2023.
Okay.
So, to say by Sundowns is killing the South African football, that's a no.
Okay. No. Yeah, we were saying that.
South Africa sokoleswe Zimbabwe. Ibhungile ba iphiwe in fact la win because Zimbabwe isibonile basuka masibabhekela mkhamba khathi handball nje babhekela. Otherwise iChiefs thengabambela player nje le bakamalana.
Nah, he's playing in Scotland.
Yeah.
Motherwell. He plays for it's a very difficult name.
Yeah.
He plays in Scotland for Motherwell.
What? Hi, Brian.
No, Chong, you look at the team in Zimbabwe. No? You've got Marvelous Nakamba who plays for Lorient in the Championship in England. You've got the Chirewa boy, he plays for Wolves.
Yeah.
You've got there's a lot of players that are playing overseas.
For Zimbabwe, yeah.
Genga yala uye diaspora. because they're born outside abanye babo. Ne? You look at West African countries, it's the same thing. Like if we were to go toe to toe, ne, with these countries to say, let's talk about players that you've developed that have played in your country, in your league, and then they've moved from your league to go and play overseas.
To France.
You won't have such.
Okay.
Because in most of these countries, players they are born outside.
Yeah.
Ne? Then Mama can was say Egypt. Utata can was. I'll make an example. Is it Morocco? You look at the team as in Morocco. Hakim was not born in Morocco.
For sure.
Brahim Diaz was not born in Morocco. What was it, boy? Alenoy, his father was a tennis player. He was not born in Morocco. There's a lot of players. They were not born in Morocco.
Yeah.
Egypt, Egypt is different because they've got 21 players that are playing
League, yeah.
Egypt.
Yeah.
You understand? Those are the countries, Tina, we need to look at us and look at them. South Africa and Egypt. That's where you can compare yourself because in most players, they're playing locally. Now, if you're going to compete or compare with your Ivory Coast, with your Nigeria, with DRC, even with Angola, the guy who Angola, Fred, the captain, Lauti is playing a Portugal. He grew up with Sporting Lisbon. In most they grew up in Portugal. Yeah, understand. So Tina, we do have those players that were born outside South Africa. They were given a chance. Abanye Babu, Olaz, David Soma. There's a lot. I'm just forgetting Amanya Makam. They were given a chance, but fine, but they below par. And the only person I felt but he gave his account was Dean Fullman. As much as he was playing regional football, okay, according to South African football, the lowest league in South Africa. But he gave a good account for himself when he came back and then he joined SuperSport, where he kept in Bafana Bafana. But abanye, like, I can go.
Yeah.
Ababandu sinabo apha ngaphakathi in the country. You understand? So must be realistic now as football supporters sometimes because let's be realistic to say we can't compete with your Nigeria, your Ivory Coast, your Mali. We can't compete with those countries in terms of players because most of their players they play in your France, Belgium because
they are playing in Europe.
Yeah. They were born in Europe. So as in terms of football development, they started it at an early age. Tina, we've got players that come to professional football at the age of 25, 24. Whereas you've got a Senegal 17-year-old. You understand? A 17-year-old. Say la, you understand? Tina is a two players. Talk to a 17-year-old. Yeah, you must go and gain experience. You're not ready enough. So I'm just saying, it's a football supporters. Let's be realistic. Any expectations is unnecessary.
Which expectations is unnecessary that you are crying for?
That we can beat Cameroon.
We did.
That we can compete with your Senegal.
We did beat Morocco. We did.
No. Competing in terms of talent, not beating in terms of talent.
I don't think about they are crying for the talent, but the tactics that we're using on the day. That's the factor. We cannot. Cameroon will look superior than us, and as we said, but the experience is exposing like AFCON. So for me, I feel like we're not prepared enough for this AFCON because we can play with these nations. And Egypt, we knocked out Egypt to go previously before last year. So we can play with these nations, but when we have the players or our teams that are off form.
Did you read or do you understand what happened with the Cameroon before the World Cup, before the tournament?
Yeah, I saw all
That
of
team was assembled.
yes.
I understand.
Yeah.
Tina, we've been playing for how many years together?
Yeah, it's been
I understand.
yeah.
And
yeah.
then there's tactical application, there's tactical planning,
yes.
of which 90% you play, or 10% from the coach. That's what I'm saying. Lando, we might argue about the tactics, but tactics based so with defensive. It doesn't count, Lando. When you're in the field of play, your decision making does not rely on what the coach said. It relies on capability, your thinking.
For sure.
So that's why, but if players is here to, as compared to as players and we're not there yet. The individuals that have a potential to compete with those players. The other ones, they're not there yet. But it's good. Lendo again, Hugo Bruce ended up saying after players need to move to Europe. I mean, I'm back. Let that to Ulume Vutela, man. He said to give links is not good enough.
Yeah.
But to give links plays for one of the biggest teams in Denmark. He's one of the best players in Denmark, but he's not good enough.
Not good enough.
But now he comes back and says the PSL needs to start exporting players.
It's emotions, bro.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But yeah, before Sivale, they've been moves with PSL. Pitso Mosimane, rumors is coming back.
Yeah.
Napoli Saleh going to Sundowns.
Ayo rumor le ka mo Napoli Saleh.
No, it's a rumor. But the other one, it's confirmed.
Ah, umna disappointed nge-Chiefs.
Why?
Why?
Xa ikwazile Sundowns umfumana uSaleh nge-Chiefs bingamfuni na.
Willing seller, willing buyer.
Bra, Kaizer Chiefs bekukho i-chance ka-Police. Thethwa nge-rumors, nothing happened. Nothing came. Police ambona ba wenza ndo ngoku.
But we did address that.
But what I'm trying to tell you is bekukho i-chance kaMbule. uMbule ayamthatha. Noma uMbule ngokudlala phingo.
Bafana.
uMbule udlalele bafana udlale iCAF. Wadlala bafana. Apha around wahamba waye Morocco. Yambo? Imagine sine player yethu ehambileyo ayofumana le experience. Izoxa izodlala nezi zalapha bizawuba ntoni?
Yeah, but you still have Kev, but you're playing Kev. So.
My point exactly. But thina sithi abasheke kwiCAF, but as edition do thina. Kodwa sibetho 0-0.
Your time is
sibetho
coming.
1-0.
Your time is coming.
Bra. Uthini urulani yes?
No, your time is coming where Chiefs is giving the
Uyezwa kanye akayezi.
I don't
Uyinka
know.
ba uyezwa.
I don't know.
I don't think so.
Akazi?
No.
Urulani kwi-talks with the Kaizer Chiefs.
Dude, so you mean to tell me he's going to leave MS Alger, where is number 1, leading with 12
Leading
points,
by 12
going to
points.
win the league and go back to Champions League?
There's no way that Roland could come.
You
At the
obese ngqondo urulani uzobaphiza the Chiefs.
No, but
it
it doesn't make sense.
No, it doesn't.
Like career-wise, he's number 1. He's leading. He's leading with Said Ramovic. Who's this other guy? Joseph Zimbawa that we're here in South Africa. He's number 1.
Enemies zakhe zoyi-2.
You understand? He's number 1 on the log.
Yeah.
12 points. Ulita with 12 points. He's got a chance to win the league and
talks is this,
automatically qualify for a Champions
I
League.
don't think there are talks. It's just rumors.
Okay. Come Bras before Sivalet. I-Chiefs shotando.
Nothing. Just consistency in winning games. That's it.
They shut down, coach. They don't have a coach. Yeah, they don't have a coach. They signed players this window, basically. But no, the coaches that are there, they are not utilizing these players enough for me. So, Kaizer Chiefs without a coach, then that's a Kaizer Chiefs with off performance. So they have no coach.
But now, I'm just saying, they just feel they just need to win their games. Get their
Kukumayo phambili. Kuku Igadaro. Kuku Da Silva.
Yeah.
Kuku sezizintsha izindizibizile sezifikayo uMorris masambali nombala yena kukho ule mfutshane bani mfutshane
Slosh Ashley Dupree
akakho mfutshane wona
uDuba
uDuba akakho mfutshane
Modi.
ya phule modi unenjari unathi uDuba wanele Duba
yeah he was injured his back now.
Yeah.
jonga bekuthiwa kuqala sifuna umuntu ozoscora yabona kungeniswa abantu abangapi kula ndawo
Da Silva is scoring mos.
that means the problem was not the scoring then
Yintoni
Epic Game Chiefs ibukela ya convince abayo Chiefs sefomini
also don't forget indoba ukazi no what's this guy's name the assistant coach
Cedric Kaze
no the
that's
other
it
one. I'm just forgetting his name ne? They recently took over when Nanseka left Napi left ne? Now
but they've been with him
yeah
nje.
they've been with him
So-
kaloku nam kwawam namzawuza ngeyami indlela ba hey makhe sichinje indlela sithini
It-
so he's trying ezinye combinations now you Dylan Solomons was not playing and it bekudlala uFrostler
Yeah, now he's playing
with Dylan yeah understand
Yeah.
bekudlala eMidland Ox bengadlali it was always Thabo Cele no
Yeah, it was.
yeah understand Ox is playing now Nkosingphile is back he's playing Da Silva yeah understand so now they're getting their combinations now they're not there but
Bro,
it's just
season.
consistency you said the same thing last season do you remember
That thing that is about net
yeah and I said the Chiefs is going to win the Nedbank
uthini ngokuthi sayiwin
they're going to win the Nedbank
I know.
I said so the last year last time
No.
you me last time then 10 I like clip is a call
I
and Chiefs is going to win the Nedbank what when sika Chiefs is win the Nedbank
that ndiyayinqonela lonto that ndiyayinqonela lonto but
If you watch it, go
kukho
check
iSundowns kukho iSundowns
Yeah.
nePirates inganzima
That team-
iPirates was not as strong as it is ngoku.
yeah binjani Paris last season
It was not as strong as it is now
last season
this Pirates is unprecedented bruh
I know.
suka
in the last 13 years
suka
I know.
Nice, okay.
No.
the Paris that went to semi-final in Champions League
Bro, you are blinded by these trophies, man. MTN and Carling.
Yeah, bruh.
the Paris that went to semi-final in Champions
The
League
Pirates of last season.
It's better than this
it's
season.
better than this one
It is better, bro.
In terms of what? In terms of performance?
They're
playing
Playing what? Kaloku? In terms of performance, in terms of attack, in terms of what?
everything the hunger the willingness the fighting everything
So it declined in Pirates.
no he hasn't declined he hasn't done anything
No, I decline now.
he hasn't
But
declined
the
John about
Pirates-
winners they've won the same trophies that they've won besides the Carling they did MTN baphumile kwi-Champions League if you remember ngokuqala season I said to you from on paper I'm giving Paris to win the Champions League
And
do you remember when I said
there were
that?
a lot of chances.
There were a lot of chances
Yeah.
but we were born but badlala in patches then there you understand but end up bephuma kwi-Champions League
Okay, Johan
the
Pras.
decline ye-Sundowns it has played a huge role
Also, maybe he declined the Sundowns.
the
Yeah,
decline
at the
ye-Sundowns.
Pirates.
Yeah. The decline ye-Sundowns.
Okay, so can I explain it? Like, Umbogazi uviolent one.
Good money move.
Okay, so umkisa Umbogazi.
Yeah.
Umkisa uKwayiba.
I told you ngokwayiba.
Yeah. Umkisa bangane nomnye. Kubana omnye.
Kwayiba was not going to play that team.
Kenqando.
He's not good enough for that team. Abantu compete nabo there. You should have
Bana.
gone to Chiefs.
Kubana omnye uhambileyo, kubana omnye uhambileyo.
Mariko. Okay, he's not there yet. He's going to Chiba.
Kota.
Kota went to
Yabo?
Saudi.
Imagine.
Yeah. But they got a replacement for Nkota, Omoremi.
Yeah.
Okay.
His role, ayabonakala.
Bumela Brazam. Ngifuna nindive kahle ngabe ngandi yabona xa niphendula ngandi hater nina. What I'm trying to say ba is umkisa a defender a strong, probably your best defender.
Yeah.
Okay.
Out of the 11 man oqala ngayo.
Yeah.
Une chance yobuyisa uSaleng.
Sure.
Uyamthengisa uSaleng.
But with Usalengo had already signed a pre-contract with Pirates, with Sundowns, man.
How it looks kaloku from us when certain those are insights, certain those are ngaphandle.
Okay.
Yeah.
Ba then awukhonto intshawoza naye ukuthi mhlawumbe ufumene into ethile ezawukonyusa confidence kuyamngiwa qha.
Look.
Kubani who can play la ndawo kaMbokazi?
No.
Yeah.
Ulisenda is back.
Elhlobo likaMbokazi.
Yeah. Ulisenda is back.
Elhlobo likaMbokazi.
Thabiso Sesane is back. Yeah.
Elhlobo likaMbokazi.
Yeah. The very same Mbokazi he replaced Thabiso Sesane who was doing well in that position.
And no one knew about Mbokazi at that time.
No
So
one knew
league,
about
okay,
Mbokazi.
brother, nithi league ithathwa iPirates ke ngo.
No.
Okay, mangaphendulweni style. Ileague izothathwa yino.
It's still early, bruh, to predict because Pirates and Sundowns are still there. So it's between Pirates and Sundowns. I cannot say now, Gogba, it's obvious it's going to be Pirates or Sundowns. No, because they are competing.
Konme sister thethe bemane thetha buqa ngondibona i-comment yakhe yokugqibela to stress ake Stellenbosch.
Still is. Nah, still is.
Stress Gogba, it's
Yadeclare lo Stellenbosch and umkhiso coach ngabanye iStellenbosch umkhiso coach owazaziyo ezindwana from ngozazizichamela until ngozindala umkisa your best defenders, your best strikers. Uthini, what's your plan?
It's a model. Every company has a business model.
yeah.
Okay.
They're selling club.
Yeah, they are.
Yeah, I understand. Selling club because
Yabetha lo Maritzburg United yabethwa yilo way.
Ajax, you name them. There's a lot.
Yeah, so.
Yeah, I understand. So
Okay, yaqhubeka
even with Kevin Hunt going there, for me, uzambona nge players that is going to bring to the club. But then now the problem that's always going to be there. He went to Durban City. He had players that he wanted. He could not get because of the budget.
Yeah, for sure.
Ne? So now he's going to
Stellenbosch.
Stelis. Stelis, they're selling club. I'm telling you now, they've sold to Andre de Jong to Pirates.
Imagine.
Umolosian is leaving end of the season.
Best defender.
Uza kuthi
Yeah, he's going to Chiefs end of the
Yeah.
season.
Aye.
Devon Titans is going to leave.
Yeah.
Chances are, if he doesn't go to one of the big three in Joburg, he's going overseas. You've got your Omega Mtagas.
Yeah.
That boy is going to leave Stellenbosch because he has shown the quality.
Stellenbosch for the last 5 seasons has been a top 5 team.
Yeah.
Yeah, for sure.
Goku kule season is a top 1 team.
Yeah, they're struggling.
They're struggling,
outside
but-
top 10.
Yeah, they're struggling, but
But losing a form.
Yeah.
because
of course.
Kaloku, there's all deep. That's why coach even left. He went to Tanzania, you know. But the business model, yabasebenzela bona. They're making money. They're making money. So
Do you think Steve he would have, if Mkile with Stellenbosch, he would have worked with any other club?
Abe South Africa,
Yeah.
no. He's one coach. He plans. I remember what he did with Tuks
Yeah. He stayed there.
from a amateur level. And it was him and Semi Troughton. They pushed the team to the promised land. Had a plan. Nah, but they started lendo players your George Maluleka, Lerato Chabangu, Andile Jali,
Yende, Thokozisi, yeah.
Yende. You name them.
Yeah.
Ne? He went to Stelis. At Stelis, they had the same plan, a 5-year plan. They want to be in the PSL. In the second season, they won a promotion.
Yeah.
They went to PSL, you know. So I don't think when I look at the teams, PSL and the owners, I don't think they would have been a suitable team for a coach like Steve Barker. Because he might start off engawini.
Yeah. Because of a long-term goal.
Yeah. So I don't think he made a good choice by leaving. There's like Fadlu Davis. Yeah. There's certain coaches where when you look at them, but this one, Ngababantu, if you give him a 3-year contract, he should finish 2 years. Then if you're born by hey, no, it's not working out. Then it's not working out. I look kumbi simenza ayo. Kuto sign a 5-year contract. I can last in 3 months. What are you going to achieve in football within 3 months?
So, do you think? Let's close this off. Shake 4 minutes. It's cheaper. It's shorter. No. Okay, okay.
You know.
Sure.
And it's cheaper. It's facing relegation.
Yeah.
Straight.
Yeah.
It's a Zambia.
It's a Zambian, bro.
It's shorter. Because we are coaching Nancy Buyavuza.
Nobody.
And nobody akekho ngoku.
It's currently in the semis of AFCON.
And nobody now Mhlambu is gonna improve. Man, I believe player the more it plays, nobody can improve. So now nobody is gone, Mhlambi. He will come back with new experience, with the ball fast, with the
Yeah.
My thing now is Sumfumene it's cheaper DTC as Eastern Cape.
Yeah.
Sumfumene now who's gonna play with number 10 and maybe score. Because be short ngalondo. Amas goke ayidlala namazulu kuzibetho 4-0. Yayidlala grand abesuswini. Most yebhola yayiyayo. Andiphayana but I figured to the final third. Usukungayazi bakwenzeke ntoni. So now him coming back umkhambi, we might not get his end.
But if team yet as opponent, man, it's so confused, bro. If checking the coaches about Chinchileyo for the last 15 games, this is Lale with PSL. It doesn't promise but the one individual can carry the team and make difference at the moment because now they are desperate. They are desperate for points. So, I think, yeah, maybe izawusebenza ingangasebenzi because the pressure will be is going to be to carry the team out of the relegation zone. But the style of Chippa United of firing coaches left, right, and center, it's not helping us. It's not helping us.
Firing.
Yeah.
The technical director kilo.
Or in problems.
No, never.
Which is Moken. Jesus, you see? So it's not about
yeah.
Sporting director second.
It is Mkile.
So the technical Mkile and sporting Mkile. Kushege unatsik rebel.
Yeah. And
that
is on the match side.
Is the makamu wabizayo.
Ayazu?
Gene.
Okay, kushege utit.
So for me, Nate, it was about time, man. Changing the coaches and Nompati to panic when the results are not coming, not giving coach a chance. So yeah,
coach Ogala wa grand.
Patela.
What Roshan Sundowns is back. Opening game draw. Why go grand?
All the best part yet. Durban City to
yeah, he's on the Durban City. We'll see now.
Yeah.
Durban City, I go Siam? No. Oh, Swelelo, Siam.
Yeah, Swelelo.
Okay.
Yeah.
Then there's Pitani, Durban City, and Swelelo.
Yeah, he's on the Durban City.
I think I get who has done both.
John.
Who has been, I don't know if he player or coach. Who put it in top?
Is it Durban City?
It's Durban City. It's TT, I think.
Technical director, Durban City.
Oh, I got a phone bank coach. Yeah. Cause okay. Yeah, I think Kevin Hunt ufanele lezi teams esilungu like ezifana no Stellenbosch, Cape Town City, which guy said Cape Town City.
Yeah.
Otherwise bengasazalunge kwezinye. ne-super sport ezi ziyi-3
Did well with SuperSport.
Yeah, I have a feeling that he will do well in studies.
because eza ntwana seziyazi yonke laa nto yakhe laa nto azayithetha phaa yinto esimilar to Steve.
Yeah, I will say that. I do have a feeling that he will do well.
i-Chiefs ibhithwa nayila English
But
kanantsika.
if the only downfall with Coach Gav, it's him not relying on technology. Football has moved to technology. His downfall with Durban City and Middendorp was
Sure.
the use of technology in modern football. Now you're going to a team like Stellies, which has a high performance center that normally hosts the sevens and whatever it is. They into technology, you know, Brennan Forey and his scouts, the analysts are corner, you know. So now you go into a space of analyst is 4-5 uzathi za analyst awufuna umsebenzi wazo.
Okay, one last question and then I think we'll be good.
The signings, bro.
Yakhutshwa inantsika yakhutshwa Cape Town City yafika yaxokonqwa phaa kumvele phaa eMotsepe.
Yeah, kumvela, we'll say
But
that.
buyile ngoku.
Yeah. You lower division, you can lose 4 games, you win 3 games, you're back in the top 5. That's the interesting and nice part about that league. You look at Hyper started well. They lost 3-4 games or
They
didn't have
started
good,
very well.
good
Yeah,
results.
yeah.
They were down. Like Cape Town City now, and you look at with the players that they've signed now, you make well team. Nale from the one as a striker basically ETS Galaxy.
Yeah.
He's there.
Zamovic.
Yeah. Sekmo, yeah. You know.
Man City makathetha i-Chiefs.
Yeah, he's there. So now when you look at their recruitment. They are recruiting based on they coming back. By May they coming back.
So iyabuya Cape Town City.
Yeah, now I feel they
possible.
coming back.
Possible.
Ilungi phaa mani Cape Town.
Yeah, possible.
They
Cape
coming
Town
back.
City ngekukhutshwa ezinye zezi. No what Cape Town City. Bro.
But gents, signings the Sundowns. They've made signings, 3 solid ones.
South American A1.
Yeah, Colombian
Don't
guy.
let abayifunayo.
I have an issue with this South American.
What's your issue?
You're signing a South American. Eh? We also saying we want to develop players. What does that mean for players like Letlaku? You know.
Yeah.
Now you might find, but by end of the season, go to Letlaku must go on loan.
For sure. I think
Yeah,
yes.
Why, man? What's this obsession with South American players?
I don't think okay, you can say but it's an obsession, but
Brazil ikwephi continent.
South America.
South America.
Kaloku nje so icacile
Nah.
Brazilian Sundowns.
No.
Yeah. No, for me it depends to the coaches. Because
Coaches sign kanye zizi.
No, it's not the coach.
no,
that
it's
signs
not
players.
the coaches.
it's depend to the coaches how
No.
they use the players.
Oh,
Yes.
with the players that you have.
Yes,
Ukhona
because-
umuntu apha kuno wayesithi bana anyone can coach Sundowns awine.
Between
Between
I don't know.
ukhona umuntu between nina no2 wayesithi bana Sundowns kwi-former grand bra anyone can coach Sundowns noba yanguwe futhi
nguwe.
What can-
Nguwe
bra
othi-
mna nandisithi kaloku no one noba i-players ntswam kangakanani na if azidlali on their primary positions izawubonakala kuthiwa hayi Sundowns bra kwi-form i-grand
No,
Sundowns.
when I'm sure you heard something from somewhere else, not up.
No.
Saying anyone can coach Sundowns.
No.
Because ngoba ezathi jongani uKhadoso.
Nah, no one can coach Sundowns.
Hence I'm saying,
Nah,
what
not
about-
Abantu
anyone.
happen uKhadoso kuxa be-grand nje.
Big grand njani? Don't be grand club World Cup.
Eh?
Don't be grand club World Cup.
Ibra bezidlala eza players eSundowns. It's just that bezidibene namadoda kwenye level.
Yep, like yeah, play game where you say Sundowns played.
Chini game Dortmund.
They played.
Of course they did.
Of
course they
wena
did.
ufuna uyeke lento yakho.
Sundowns played better than any African teams there.
We bukele with that.
Bro.
We bukele with that.
No.
iSundowns.
No. Sundowns was the best team with teams as Africa.
Go Kwakel.
Gokudlala.
Hayi so.
Uqhatshwa no.
Hayi so. Chief, man. Lento benzitsho but let's reality.
That's the reality. That's the reality. Coming to South Americans, bro. I'm saying, but the coaches that were Sundowns that is having, these are the coaches that compromise the players as South Africa. You're the Tlaku, you're my banners.
Yo, bro.
Upito had the South Americans. He used them and mixed the players as South Africa. You know? So for me,
it was not a huge influx of players from outside.
It was not
Gaston.
Huge. It was Nascimento.
Gaston Nascimento. And then later on he added Afonso.
Yes.
Fares Hachi, okay, is Algerian.
He was giving South African players time.
Yeah. Yabona ngoklena Jo. Escovel uqothiwe le team bedlala kuyo ubuyele South Africa.
2 minutes.
Escovel Recinho banenye le
Suarez.
Suarez akekho Suarez wahamba ube ngu Artur Usalez Artur ibe ngu Allende lo ufikayo ikhona nenye le yase Portuguese 2 Portuguese.
Yeah, there are 2 Portuguese.
Hayi Brazil 6
Yeah, the coaches.
Hayi suka. Aye. And then we're still saying we want Bafana.
I'm saying it's the coaches, bro. That Sundowns is having. Zizo.
Compromiser nansi
Yes.
Shine and piano.
Yeah.
Awuyabuya nje.
Bawel yo.
So ubuya kwa if usase yayibamba league Sundowns if ubuyile.
Sundowns will always win the league, chief.
Bro.
Sundowns will always win the league.
Sundowns, they always have a chance to win.
Sundowns will always
have a chance not to
even this season.
That's how you win in
Even this season.
You remember the last season? Sundowns will win the league. Chiefs will win the Nedbank with Kapu Shikle. You remember?
So it's still Chiefs is not gonna get anything, bruh.
No, Chiefs won't get anything.
Okay.
Iziphambanisa neCAF mayiyeke babhanqa izofocusa ku Nedbank as long as iseke iCAF ayizulenza ixesha ku Nedbank mavrika nyoko.
Exclusive.
And we out. Please like, subscribe. Go and subscribe. Sports Edition ECTV. Sports Edition ECTV. I don't know. Big up link. Up. Here's the link. Or here's the what sports, the channel that they need to go and you just put it here. Yeah. Back up, but it is
So here.
Yeah, I beg you.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, we out.
Yeah, Puba Rajalo.